We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but unclear food names in English. How do you go about pronouncing this? In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is said as tahini, tahini. In American English, however, this is usually said as tahini, tahini in American English versus tahini in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.